Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the upcoming Louis Vuitton bags. I will be including the prices, SKU features, and launch dates if available. And you know our practice here. If you are liking anything so far, kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs for pre-orders and availability. Guys, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Damier Graphite for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Alright, so let us start first with the Christmas Animation 2024 collection, the continuation. This has already launched November 1st, 2024. First, we have this very beautiful Vivienne phone pouch. Price is 1,600 euro or 1,970 USD. We have SKU here. This is from the Snow Show theme. Loving this cute phone pouch. Materials monogram canvas with detachable canvas strap. Then we have this very cute Vivienne candy box. Price of this one is 550 euro or 660 USD. We have SKU here. This is from the Candy Factory theme. Materials monogram canvas with vachetta leather trims and it has red interior. This is very good for gifting for your friends during the holidays. And then we have the box Asniers. Again, apologies for the mispronunciation. Price is 2,050 euro or 2,850 USD. Just kindly take note of the SKU. Theme is from the Candy Factory. Materials monogram canvas. It has vachetta leather trims, and once you open, you're going to see it has a wipeable interior, just like with the toiletry pouches. Then guys, we have the monogram pen case from the new gifting collection that will be launching November 7, 2024. Price of this one is 325 USD. Material is monogram canvas. Guys, kindly take note that the pen is not yet included. It is purchased or to be purchased separately. We're going to discuss that next. Just kindly stand by. So this is the monogram pen. Take note of the price, guys. Is 1,070 USD. Wow, what a bougie type of pen. So this is from the new gifting collection. LV pen. It has the monogram here, and we're going to notice once you zoom in, the Louis Vuitton name is also engraved. So again, kindly take note that this has SKU and it is available in different colorways as this. So we have the Rouge series. So this is the Rouge series. This is in red with silver hardware. Same price is 1,070 USD. Then the next colorway is this one, which is the Rose Pondicherry. Still part of the new gifting collection that will be launching November 7, 2024. So who is interested on those pens? So we have more pen cases for you. So I'm just sharing this one because of course of the upcoming holidays. If you're looking for the perfect gift, then one of these could be for you or your friend. So we have pen case in leather. Prices of this one's 370. So we have Blue Indigo, Rouge Series, and Rose Pondicherry. Kindly take note the three separate colors of three different SKU. Now let's move on to the next collection. We have the new graphite collection. First, we have the Avenue Sling, size MM. Release date is November 7, 2024. Price of this one is 1,750 euro. Material is the new graphite or the Damier Graphite canvas with cowhide leather trims with silver hardware. Next, we have this very cute Keepall size 50. Price is 2,150 euro. We have SKU here from the new Damier Graphite collection. Same material is the Damier Graphite canvas. It has cowhide leather trims. So we have in black, and of course we have the very vibrant blue indigo colorway with silver hardware. Next, we have the Horizon, size 55. Price of this one is 2,800 euro. Kindly take note of the SKU. So it would still have the same material, the Damier Graphite canvas with cowhide leather trim. So this is the rolling luggage in size 55. Next on the collection, the very beautiful Pochette Voyage size MM. Price of this one is €775. So guys, if you're looking for a new version of the Toiletry Pouch 26, you may want to check out the Pochette Voyage MM in the men's section. So the material is the Damier Graphite canvas, and it has cowhide leather interior as we could see here. Then we have the very cute District Messenger. Price of this one is €1,650. We have SKU here, so this is how it looks like when you open. This is the back side. Loving the silver hardware and the silver zipper pull as well. So the strap, guys, is made of canvas, and unfortunately that is non-detachable. Next, we have the Slender Wallet. Price of this one is €380. So if you are a fan of or an SLG collector, this is very cute. As you can see, materials the Damier Graphite canvas with cowhide leather trims, and the blue indigo pops against this charcoal gray colorway of the Damier Graphite canvas. Launching November 7, 2024. Then we have the COLORMANIA 2 collection. So we're going to focus on the Tyrolean leather material. First, we have the Keepall 50 bandolier. Price of this one is €3,400 or $4,000. We have SKU here. Colorway of this one is the Vert Borneo. It has silver hardware, detachable leather strap, and bag strap as well. Then it would come in the Rouge Seri colorway. Same price of €3,400 or $4,000. So what I am loving about this COLORMANIA Keepall bags is that it is made of Tyrolean leather. So this is the same leather that they are using for the capucines. Next, we have the Keepall size 50 bandolier in the John Saffron colorway. Price of this one is the same. That's €3,400 or $4,000. Wow, we have SKU here. So this is the interior, just like the stripes of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. So this is the back side. It would come with detachable leather strap, bag tag, and it would come with silver hardware. Next, guys, we have the DOP kit. So here we have two colorways. Price of this one is €1,180 or $1,490. It would come in Rouge Seri, which is this red one, and then the yellow one would be the John Saffron. Material would be the Tyrolean leather. This is the interior.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, among the upcoming Louis Vuitton bags that we have discussed for today, do you have any favorite so far? Did you add anything to your wishes? Kindly comment down below. We would love to hear from you. Before we end our episode, guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So guys, before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Damier52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!